Hi, my name's Samuel Brennan and I'm the Projects Director here at Heightsafe Systems. Today we are at Port's docks in Liverpool. Previously we were asked to come and do a risk assessment by Ports and looked at how they gain access to and from the gates. Following on from that assessment with the team here at Ports, we decided that a Davit system that allows for the safe access and egress from the dock gates would be best suited. Today we have fitted recessed sockets to the top of the dock gate wall that allow for a Davit arm to be placed into them. This allows for the users to safely access and egress in the event of an emergency. Now that we've installed the Davit system out here, the users can safely access the gates and also in the event of an emergency can be rescued from the gates. This system provides security and safety for the users for many years to come. We train the users, so all users receive training on the system, understanding how to use it. This will be then implemented by the port and will be used for all future access to the top of the gates. On top of the dock gates, we also have a safety line system. The safety line system allows the user to constantly be attached. This, coupled with Port's own processes, means that the users have multiple options in relation to safety whilst working in this area. For any specialist access projects, please get in contact with the Heightsafe team today.